Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME GT Neo 3D to an Android device. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both and get free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, click on Open. Then, in order to send files, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and close it by clicking on OK. When you're ready, do exactly the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. OK. Now choose Send at the bottom left corner of your REALME and Receive next to it on an Android. Finally, you can tap on all of those dots from all of those categories and tap on Send next to selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got it. Now, if you see this kind of section, choose one of those options, in my case no thanks. Then click on Close this window and tap on Input key. This way you can input this code over here and connect your smartphones by choosing Receive. If you want to, you can also scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon instead, choosing Allow or Only this time, and pointing your Android's camera at the code. Now wait a couple of seconds or minutes if you have more than a couple of files. And as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!